What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. You can see, yeah, I have more than 100 earbuds. I have a thing for earbuds, that's for sure. I love to buy different earbuds from different brands in different price segment, in different sound category, and I love to test the earbuds because I wanna have the best in all the different price segments. And that's why I have all these earbuds. Today we are going to talk about a set of earbuds which is from one of my favorite brands, TOZO. Yeah, I have been using TOZO for a long time now. This is TOZO NC2 and today we are going to talk about TOZO NC7. I still have this TOZO NC2 because this one still offers very good performance. But if you're in the market for something really very good within $60-70 price range, maybe you have a budget of $100, but you don't have to spend all of your money. Now TOZO NC7 is available on the market at a discounted price. I had to spend less than $60. If you're lucky enough, then maybe you will get it for less than $50. And at that price point, this one is a gem in its class. Okay, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, but before everything, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. TOZO NC7 earbuds are really very tiny. It seems like tiny yet super mighty. Okay, TOZO always uses very good quality material and they have a very good R&D, research and development department, which always does a lot of research and offers the best ergonomic design. All the curves, all the cutouts, all the materials all have a very nice blend, and this one is definitely designed with care. Inside my ear, I always have comfy feelings, and you know what? I talk about this a lot. Maybe many other reviewers wouldn't even talk about this, but TOZO always offers a very good quality ear tips. You know what? In the unboxing, I have already shown that this one comes with 6 different sets of ear tips. So whatever the size that fits in your ear groove, in your ear canal, you're gonna get the perfect fit. Because TOZO offers many different options. Not many brands do that. You won't get that many ear tips even with a set of earbuds which costs some more than $150. Kudos to TOZO. Well, each of the earbuds weighs only 5.3 grams. That's pretty light, and both the earbuds along with the charging case only weighs 42 grams. Despite its lightweight and small size, TOZO has managed to fit a 70 mAh battery inside, and each of these earbuds are equipped with a 7mm dynamic driver. Also, both the earbuds has 3 microphones, so altogether there are 6 microphones, which contributes to a very good quality ANC, active noise cancellation. We'll talk about that soon. Okay, each of the earbuds comes with 70 mAh battery, as I mentioned earlier. The charging case has a 500 mAh battery inside this tiny little body. Talking about this charging case, this one also has a very good build quality. It's very easy to open the lid, and the lid is connected to the charging case through a very good hinge. It's very easy to put the earbuds inside the charging case, and it's even easy to take it out. Cool. And once you close the top lid, whatever you do, the earbuds sits inside firmly, thanks to the very strong magnet that TOZO has used on this top lid and inside the charging case, which holds the earbuds firmly inside the charging case. The final thing that I like about this charging case is this one supports wireless charging. Thanks TOZO, because most of the other earbuds within this price segment, they don't have wireless charging. One more time, kudos to TOZO. Well, the earbuds themselves can offer 18 hours of listening time. I mean, when the earbuds are fully charged, I have managed to extract almost 18 hours of listening time, and the earbuds along with the charging case offers more than 70 hours of listening time. To be exact, that's 72 hours. Once this charging case along with the earbuds are fully charged, we are good to go for 3 days. Wow, that's a very long time. If the battery life has surprised me, then the wireless charging support has made me delightful. But what has made me so very happy is this one comes with optical sensors. So these earbuds knows when they are inside my ear groove, and when I take these earbuds out of my ear, the music, the movie or whatever I'm listening to will get automatically paused. That's a great thing. One more time, within this price segment, you have seen I have many earbuds. Most of those don't come with this optical sensor thing. In easy words, which is in-ear detection. Yeah, TOZO NC7 comes with in-ear detection. Not only that, after I have selected the correct sized ear tips, they sit inside my ear very firmly without any issue, and whatever I do, even I go to gym, I do running, or whatever I do, they're not gonna drop off from my ear. They're inside my ear. Look at this, nothing happened. Cool. This gets a very good fit, and as these earbuds gets a very good fit inside my ear, there is a passive noise cancellation because these ear tips creates a very good seal inside my ear canal, inside my ear groove, so the ambient sound won't get inside my ear. Talking about noise cancellation, this one comes with active noise cancellation. You have heard me right. Inside the application, you will notice that there are 6 different noise cancellation modes, like noise cancellation, which is ANC, then transparency mode, reduce wind noise, laser mode. In laser mode, this one actually reduces noise to a comfortable level. It doesn't actually totally block out all the ambient sound. There is also a normal mode which has no effect, and in transparency mode, you will be able to listen to all the ambient sound. There is a custom pattern which I really like. There are 10 different levels, so I can select which level I prefer. In different environment, in different scenarios, I select different levels of noise cancellation. Talking about the application, let's talk about the pairing process. It's a very easy process to pair these earbuds with your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether we are using an iPhone or an Android device. It's very easy to pair. Once the earbuds are paired and the application is downloaded into the smartphone, the application is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. We can check the battery status, we can update the firmware, we can select noise cancellation, and we can also select sound effect, which is preset sound signature. Inside the sound effect, there are a lot of preset sound signatures, and we can also customize based on our requirements. Okay, inside the application, we can also customize the touch control, like what would happen on a single click, double click, triple click, and long press. We can customize for both the left and right earbuds. If we don't like the customization, we can always click on to restart to default. That's it. Well, there are a few other things I need to talk about noise cancellation before I talk about the sound quality. TOZO NC7 comes with hybrid 3-layer active noise cancellation. The outward-facing microphone will detect external sounds and counter with equal anti-noise to first cancel noise. Secondly, the inward-facing microphone will listen inside ear canal to pick up internal sounds and blocks the noise twice as effectively. And finally, the ear tips, what I have already talked about, prevents almost 90% of the sound to get into the ear canal. As this NC7 comes with built-in noise cancelling microphones, 2 of the microphones are actually outward facing and 1 is inward facing. So the outward facing dual noise cancelling microphones can eliminate maximum of 35 decibel of external ambient noise. And this one also suppresses environmental noise. Moreover, the dedicated internal microphone along with 2 external microphones picks up our voice so clearly and isolates it from outside noise. So even when I was in call, my voice was like crystal clear. In transparency mode, we can listen to ambient sounds. We can clearly hear everything around us. When someone is honking horn behind us, or when we are in an airport waiting for the flight notice, we will be able to listen to everything very clearly. Now, finally, here comes the final thing, what I care the most about a set of earbuds. The sound quality, sound signature, how is the performance? How do I feel inside my ear canal when I listen to music, when I watch movie, whether I can play games with this one or not? Okay, this one comes with a very low latency. So whenever I watch movie on Netflix, Hulu or Apple TV, I've found that the lips are always in sync. There is no latency. The lows, the bass, super awesome. Within this price segment, I need to say this is super awesome. This one can reproduce lows perfectly well. And you know what? Inside the application, there is this bass plus, which will make the bass like deep bass. You will feel the oomph. You will feel that inside your ear canal. If the bass is so good, then the mids are one of the best among all the earbuds within this maybe within $100 segment. You won't find another which reproduces mids so very nice. It's crystal clear, and the separation between mids, highs and lows is so very nice that it feels like when I'm listening to some music or watching movies, I'm sitting in a Dolby movie theater or inside a studio where the singer is singing in front of me. Okay, finally, treble. This is a tricky thing. When I have reviewed many other earbuds, I have mentioned this. Sometimes the brands, they feel like treble is an easy thing. If a set of earbuds can reproduce the high frequency, then it's good enough. But TOZO is different. Yeah, I have just mentioned it. There is a very good separation, and the high frequencies are actually reproduced with clarity. That's the more important thing when it comes to treble. I can clearly listen to the instruments that is played in a music. Oh, if I've forgotten to mention, then okay, TOZO NC7 comes with professional Aurigex 2.0 technology, which further optimizes the performance of vocal and mid-range, delivering more distinctive, immersive and realistic sound. Kudos to TOZO. So yeah, for treble, this one is gonna get 8.5 out of 10. For mids, 10 out of 10. For lows, 9 out of 10. Maybe 9.5 out of 10 when I use that bass plus preset sound effect. That's all about this TOZO NC7, and I'm very happy to have this one because I know I can rely on this set of earbuds for years because my TOZO NC2 is still offering me the same performance from the very first day for almost 3 years now. So this TOZO NC7, maybe I will this one for another 3 years, who knows, maybe 5 years. Okay, I would like to know what you think about this TOZO NC7. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Yeah, I have left a link of this TOZO NC7 in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. I think now it's the best time to buy this TOZO NC7 because within this price segment, at this moment, I don't have any other earbuds to recommend other than TOZO NC7.